If you wish to monitor your production or packaging lines, I'll guide you through a quick and simple process using just 2 mobile phones, a phone holder and a phone charger, no special hardware required. Here's a brief overview of how it works. On one of the mobiles, install the Numeri Counter software. Place this mobile near the production line to capture footage of passing products. This device will count the objects and, if trained, identify the specific product. On the second mobile, install the Numeri Manager app. This app allows you to view the production line's numbers and receive alerts if it stops or underperforms. Keep this mobile close to you for prompt response to alarms and quick adjustments to the production line. For the phone placed by the production line, ensure it has a processor with at least 2.2 GHz. To install the apps, refer to the description below for links to Google and Apple app stores. Once logged into the Numeri Manager app, follow these steps. The initial task is to establish a group. Once the group is created, you can allocate counter apps and users to it. Users are granted access exclusively to the groups to which they are assigned. Within these assigned groups, users can view all counter app data associated with the counter apps assigned to that particular group. Additionally, you have the ability to create multiple groups as needed. Step 1. Open the Manager app and go to Settings. Step 2. Give the group a name and press Submit. Now you have created a group. To store and access data sent by the counting app, it is essential to link the counting app to a specific group. Follow these steps. Step 1. Navigate to the settings in the Manager app and click on Connect Counter App. Step 2. Choose the group to which you want the counter app to belong. Step 3. Assign a name to the counter app to save its data. Click Save to generate a code and a QR code. Step 4. You can opt to use either the code or the QR code to link the counter app to the group. If the counter app is on the same device, copying the code is simpler. For connecting another device, using the QR code is more convenient. Step 5. Launch the counter app on the desired device and access the settings. Step 6. If you are using the code option, under Connection, click the Paste Code button. Step 7. Paste the code and click Submit. Congratulations, you have successfully connected the counter app to your group. Now that the counter app is connected, place the mobile phone with the Numeri Counter app near the conveyor belt or roller track. Tips for optimal use on the production line. The Numeri Counter app is locked in horizontal screen mode, so physically place it horizontally. Ensure good lighting and an appropriate distance between objects and the phone for sharp visuals. Avoid background movement behind the counted objects to prevent incorrect counts. Connect the phone to a power supply as the app consumes a significant amount of power. That's it. For enhanced features like alarms, additional charts, and custom recognition models, consider the monthly subscription. Find more information on our YouTube channel and website in the links provided in the description below.